everybody, today I wanted to talk to you about fake it till you make it. I hear this expression a lot, and there are certain things that that's totally fine for, and there are certain things that that's absolutely not fine for. So if we're talking about maybe like a project, a craft project or something like that you haven't done before, but you feel like you could probably figure it out, okay, yeah, that's fine. Totally. You can fake it till you make it. You can say, oh yeah, I can do that, and then figure it out. When we're talking about a business, no, you don't want to fake it till you make it, because you could be setting yourself up to get yourself in a lot of trouble. You really need to know what you're doing and what the laws are associated with having a business are. You don't want to just fake it till you make it. So be really careful when you are hearing these people say that. So remember, if it's like a physical thing you're making, yeah, you can probably do that. Probably not a problem. But if it is, oh, just do it, you don't have to be prepared kind of thing, no, absolutely not. So do it even scared, that's fine. Like, everybody's going to be scared when they start a business or start something new, right? So every person's going to be scared. That doesn't mean that should stop you, because fear is really just something that holds you back. So don't let fear be the thing that stops you from doing something, but also make sure that you know what you're doing and you're planning it out. So you're going to hear me talk more about this. Make sure you're planning and you know what you're doing and you're prepared, because I'm going to tell you, if you do something that you shouldn't, I didn't know is not a defense. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make sure that you are going to be prepared when you do start something, or if you're already in it. Make sure that you know what the laws are and the regulations are associated with that. I'll see y'all in the next video.